I think, and not just self-storage in general, the mistakes that most often I see is you take it personally. You don't know what's going on with the person across the desk from you or the person you're uh, walking beside to show them the unit or whatever. They have given you a glimpse. They say, I need a unit because, but you really don't know what's going on. You really don't know what kind of stress they're under you. And sometimes they're just not the easiest person to deal with, and you're taking it personally, and it's hard not to. But it's not about you. They've got stuff going on,
Hmm.
and maybe all they want to know is the price because that's what they're fixated on, and you're taking it personally, but it's not about you personally. I mean, and sometimes uh, you have to get past that. You have to just say, okay, well, I know you want to know about the price, but we need to make sure what you want is going to fit. And the other thing I would say is when you are putting the ball back in their court, well, you should do this. No, you 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 give them the opportunity. You try to lead them to where you think they need to go, but you can't just say, well, you're making a mistake. Well, that's their prerogative. Um, I shared a story recently on social media. It's not about storage, but somebody, I'm working in the yard, somebody drives up and wants to inspect my roof, and they give me a card and they're going to do this, and I just said thank you, no, because honestly, at the time, all I cared about was getting the leaves raked. That was that was it, and they said okay, but you're getting water under your roof. So they put it back on me. And I wanted to say, as the person that does customer service training, it's like, what you should say is, okay, please keep my card. And when it's a better time, call me. I'd love to talk to you about your roof. We all want to make the sale. We maybe our bonuses are on how many sales we make and everything, but sometimes you just have to say, okay, this is not the best time. Instead of putting it back on you, you say, okay, well, when it's a better time or when you decide how much space you need or whatever, come see me. I'll be happy to help you however I can.